देखना कितना you can see behind me. You see how the different we have. You can see. उस तरफ भी देख सकते. You can see. So if you come to here and you want to experience the nature, beautiful, and people live with very close to nature. Is that the rural areas always beautiful. It is completely silent and nobody disturbs. And people are really good in health. Why I'm telling you this? Eat all the time. A fresh vegetable from the jungle or some of the things we cultivate. Even the vegetables also nicely, which is we don't use any chemicals, pesticide. We don't use at all. That's why people eat and even they become very healthy. That's what I wanted to say today. Yes, of course, I will tell you something more. So you want to experience, you want to do, you can just say in a comment and want to know something, then I will show you, and then I will go to another place. That will be like another adventure, right? So hope that you are enjoying.